Now, the Jamaica Constabulary Force is in defense mode. This as calls are getting louder for the police to hasten their investigation into the disappearance of social media influencer Donna-lee Donaldson. Cody and Barrett has the latest.
The police and the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions are set to review the case of missing 24-year-old Donna-lee Donaldson in the coming days. The JCF said it has made significant progress in the investigation and has collected a considerable amount of information about Miss Donaldson's disappearance.
At this point, we believe that a conference is appropriate, and that's what usually happens if an investigation is moving in this particular direction.
Miss Donaldson has been missing for 15 days, and since then, there has been widespread criticism over the pace of the police's investigation. But senior communications strategist at the JCF is of a different view.
When you hear CIB headquarters is marshalling, or is overseeing this investigation, that says a lot about the seriousness with which it is being treated. When you hear Communication Forensic and Cybercrime Division is working on this case, the Scenes of Crimes Unit is working on this case, etc., etc., it's a high-profile case.
In the meantime, the brother of Donna-lee Donaldson, Alex Campbell, is appealing to social media users to be mindful of disinformation being circulated about his sister's disappearance.
I am ashamed. I am ashamed to the immaturity that you are presenting on the media. I am ashamed for the fact that you're not taking this case serious. I am ashamed because you, who call yourself a Jamaican citizen, are contributing to the corruption that we are fighting against.
And it's also a position Mr. Brooks supports.
I think social media and some of the people who are presenting themselves as being aligned with her are not aligned with her. They're aligning with her to advance their own personal agenda.
For TVJ News, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.